Hello my friend, my name is Andre Mik and I am a professional singer with a classical background. I am here to teach you how to sing. Why am I so sure that I can help you? That's because I learned how to sing from zero and went through the whole path by myself. So let me please sing a small fragment for you so you can hear that I really know how to sing and I can teach you how to sing the same way. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfilled. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. If you enjoyed, please watch this video till the end, give it a like, hit subscribe so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Let's go! To sing using your diaphragm, you need to understand how breathing works when you sing. The sound of your voice should be produced by the airflow that goes through your vocal cords. But how do you create this airflow? Exercise 1. To feel your breath support. To feel it, please close your mouth and try to exhale strongly. You will feel your lower belly pull in. That's your breath support. These muscles in the lower belly push upward on your diaphragm and squeeze the air out of your lungs with pressure. This pressure makes your vocal folds vibrate. If you sing without using these lower belly muscles, your vocal folds or other muscles around them will create the sound by themselves. This leads to voice strain and tiredness while singing. Exercise 2. To help you control your breath support and your diaphragm. Take a note that is not too low and not too high. Just a middle note. Start singing it without support, I mean with your belly relaxed. And then without stopping the note, start to add the lower belly muscles the same way as in exercise 1. Oh. You will notice your voice becomes louder, stronger and more confident. And remember, breath support is used only while singing. During pauses, your stomach relaxes. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and of course bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Or you can support me by becoming a sponsor by clicking join under this video. I'm Andre Mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos, bye!